Hi everyone, welcome to Daphne. Today we're going to watch a SpaceX rocket launch at Vandenberg Base for space. We went to Lompoc Surf station near the Complex 4 where the rocket was set to launch. It was super foggy, so instead we found a higher viewer point for a better look. These are my binoculars. Aren't they cool? This rocket is carrying 22 satellites into space. It cost over $52 million to make this launch happen.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, ignition.
During the countdown, tons of water is sprayed near the rocket. This helps reduce the sound waves from the ignition so they don't damage the rocket or the launch pad. Great news, everyone! The SpaceX rocket successfully launched and it's now in outer space. Thank you for watching Daphne. Bye!